Hi there, my singing niños. We're going to take a break from singing, and I'm going to read Freight Train by Donald Cruz, and we're going to go over our Spanish color words. Freight train. A train runs across this track. The red caboose is at the back. How do you say red in Spanish? Rojo. Then we have an orange tank car next. How do you say orange? Anaranjado. And then we have a yellow hopper car. How do you say yellow in Spanish? Amarillo. Then we have a green cattle car. Green is verde. Then we have blue gondola car, and blue is azul. Then we have a purple box car. Purple, morado. Then we have a black and tender and a black steam engine. What's black in Spanish? Negro. Here comes the freight train. Rojo, anaranjado, amarillo, verde, azul, morado, negro. It's moving fast. Going through the tunnels. Woo woo. Going by the cities in a flash. Crossing the trestles. Moving in daylight and then going, gone.